tio kila metho ja rume Pedro Ngita ngugi ofisi-inĩ ya Mheshimiwa Kathuri Murungi uria senator wetu na deputy speaker ndene ya Kenya na batantatu ngwitikia ndene ya Lank kumagi president wetu mukathe William Samoei Ruto. Angwenda kethia athikiria ponthe na rabari ndene ya Meru. Bagetu FM kibera Merry Christmas, Happy New Year 2025.
Wow, himotongoria we ngoza utini ya nchambe no.
Araia teukira.
Medo ja arume. Medo mando arume.
Anya arume no ba kuurire medo le moka mata.
Kinya no ba kuurire medo.
Kuurire medo bana siasa. Sasa tuira wati ni mwana kamanda. Otiuga mbita itira kwa igera ku kambire na ndi kuina. Na ndi le otonya kigaru ne otonya ndancine ukienda kuina mwarura mwega ukauga ngambita itira rushe uko ndani anzia kudance
bwega. Kiuria giakwa kia mbere bwana kiongozi kila mpomba gukuria ni mantu jegie bima kana insurance njeru ya ugima bwa mwiri ya SHA itite na mbere yatakanekaria takuringana na uwe.
Okay, mbere mama medic, I'm a pharmacist by profession, with a 10 degree in public health and a master's in public health epidemiology option. Ndi kanyuma ngochoketie ndi MCA 2017 to 2022. Indari chairman wa ugima wa mwiri ndene ya Meru County for 5 years. Indari chairman wa Kenya Pharmaceutical Association for 6 good years. Upper Eastern. Kuma Marsabit kuja Isiolo County, kuja Meru County, kuja Tharaka-Nithi County, Embu County, Iuchonde. Let me say this because I've experienced the NHF. The NHF model take care of kimono. Na take care of kimono. Because the big hospitals, uringita wena anchoma, they couldn't even milk that card. But hiji rejere dai go SHA na taifa kia nanto abati kumnyana tetite. Minya antoba wengi bakugitwa mbeche nyingi ja jumbe president deputy president bakugitwa mbeche nyingi. Kero tigekirwa antu amwe. Ndibukiero atiri Kenya ndiye batabutia andikithie kenda wa register wambire ki level 1 the primary health care. Watega jande kuruja Cuba baba batwete madaktari. What they did ningwa ndikire bandikire na arua kwigintu kimogitwa primary health care. Primary health care ikuthamba njara ugwinyage ribeja gwa kwinya gatho byo barumia ukathero ithambite njara rira wetagi community transport kana umara na rawe kira mask. Mukurika ne gitara corona antu bekire mask kwa yani nyoto ugweta sibitari na ntuba kwajo na ntuba prevent the these common illnesses. Nanje kuthamba njara nchoma nini. Nukuigwa upper respiratory tract infection iba didire bure. So ndiuga SHA, what is supposed to be happening to our people, to our country Kenya, anti-be register. Already when a capitation becha thirikari nenganirite ugo register gi kitira yonde changi ugo ina mbecha utena mbecha uka treated. So duna turonere gichokere nkatho Justin Muturi. The CS. The CS wa this is public service and human development. No kuona raugire within Huduma centers chonde irechi Kenya. Iba their desk ya kuregister SHA. Kwa wantu kintu kirambe babati kudide mbere ni kuregister. Bai register ara ure bai register muntu wajwa ambire primary health care ambire dispensary aitetie ke health center ndio nande atonya referral hospital. Kote aje guta Meru district hospital kana level 5 hospital mwajitu ni Nchoma na kuna ka clinic kabati utrinti Nchoma. And I want to tell my people, now our people, clinic uchonde ile akwe private yedro dispensary edrikale register ni SHA wu. Nyaka mashinani re turare mubira jwa tournament turete tamandakitani kenda bali register nto bantu ja SHA. No kuigwa? So I want to say this, mantuja ugimobo mwere ndene ya Meru County nkona at least kuna charges the registration, that is one. And if you withdraw at least and to atongere upon all the opinion leaders, all the medics, all the clinicians by the to be registered. But I want to mention something because we had a medical camp. And PS Roselyn Njogu Kathule uju wa State Department ya Foreign ya Diaspora ibarari na paretete achungu bakuma UK na achungu bari bara treat antu theri kwina condition itawa ania betaba ba thinja bari dia operations nyingi so Roselyn Njogu are ori kwenda okwela. Thank you very much. Imware wetu wakuma ruterero rwa bore na inchamba yetu na ntuto kuona ikiriria mantu amaingi. In fact through my kuita kwa kima medics na through my munene wakwa ito kwenda go present a proposal kwa cancer center KPS Roselyn na ntuno kuona kwina ntu baba ingi muno bakweja ki department yewe kwina achonko bakweja muno na manto ja diaspora bakeja ki department yewe ikendo ba ku present that proposal na ntu kaduri murungi ndete manto jogi maba mwere na me tell you one thing kira kiengire munya imanto jogi maba mwere kira kiengire kira itu imanto asibitari kira kienga kawira imanto asibitari so nanto nchambene tegerete nanto baraumira kumegembe bange ba umara ruterero tigania bamwera turenda ngavana wana kwenda kwambiria mbere gucunga na mukuri no mumya thungu da mbere kalingo and the best thing, the solution to cure Meru, to lead Meru, to make at least our people feel the democracy, the rule of the people, by the people, for the people. Ambire na sibitari.
Very good.
Nuna turande tu kaikia proposal egu ya kwa cancer center ruterero egembe. Nike na netu chua dona. Na ndato munengira ikenda dia G2D, government to government. G2G, it will be very cost effective. Kubombuka bakwa de.
Yes. Sente wegwa kwega kwa nambecha chia
we are not talking about a checker. That's why people go along. You don't wait for your government to contribute money. There are stakeholders out there. No ndo kuona at least mujumbe adhuru atumba kudugani outside the box. Uretera kicha CDF. Who told you CDF will cater for your needs, basic domestic everything? No. Obati kwithiro wena gachamba. Karaga kumbo kubia geta kalinga iga de komaroja ntobai. Bakunda.
Cancer center
Cancer center turenda yakwa ni donors. Becha chia grant. Barabachuika kama shinani na Roselyn Kathule Njogu bakurukire tabo bango jo State Department for Diaspora.
Wow, very good.
Iko kuberia Kenya. Nade hao wao komba kuruka. No komba kodongo. No komba kukubia. Kana kama iko toka nenkera.
Nebiende byo botakomba okubia karani agu baba okubia
diaba kubia.
Kama Meru
na Meru akuberwa akaibwega sana. No tote mtu akubairwa arega.
Yes. Meru aliuga ne atangete kyankanora. Nenda motado barwadoi. Tunda to atrimana kyara to kona ni okorogonja. So only I'm very much happy. Na ntu bakwithirwa Kathuri mwankatha hijijo kiongozi ena 2 flagship projects. Na chonde oteo ufando ni Exchequer. Chonde oteo ufando ni mbecha cha CDF. Chonde oteo ufando ni mbecha cha Kenya. Chonde ka umalite eta kahiringa kibaraja ntomurume ageto chwambe cha Canada.
Apart from go kuberianto Kathuri foundation no kana no kama Mashinani foundation whether to get the anto ata countera Meru bwana kiongozi.
That's what I'm saying this kuna flagship project to ambitie the flagship project ya kuthomithia twana iji gwitwa Senator Kathuri Murungi inua masomo initiative. Ibu turajikire twana nkurukie 150. Ajike twana nkurukie 150 atothomithia ki county schools na national school. Kwe kana kama turajikire thaiga ke Pangani. And she's doing well. Meticulous, super gorgeous. There is no adjective that can describe.
Kurukira mubango
jo KF kama Mashinani Foundation. Kwe kange ajike karegeria ruterero nyaki West na ara Mouro. Ko kene kwina mau nyango kwa chiara eto nankara ngegeta yagera badeu kana kathongi gaka omeka tha St Mary's na ndikana kawu karari na karagiri nyabia gucirwo at least kona bionthe so iroto kuga atiri utokari gwa nyama mutongire nuroko umara kuberie antu and that's why become a leader and that's why people are called leader so naro rokira kwenda kwera kathuri murungi nwe leader nwe kingpin na tongerie meru atokira metho ja rume wataka na ndeja program ingira ambirwe eko ambire kujike vijana ikenda batonye the creative activities twina mubango jwa tournament ile wetu Senator Kathuri Murungi sport tournament ya county onde na ndari ingidia mubira to ambire teza udimenti na ndejo kuambira central to etena udimenti tuendelee to mwanke gembe mubira jorea it is not it mubira joro joringa wo
hapana
bere maitu ko indistanto game anto jogi mabombe jasha ituko baro itanora bomba kuma kenda awache kulevya na ituko ba opportunities na ito scout talent it is only a talent that can make someone a millionaire within a minute or within a day oringa mubira jara Ronaldo atoka jikwa so ndenda bagwatanira na Kathuri njogu PS nikenda batutu tuna tournament yewa turetera baba bakwenda achethi ome nau bakeja ba scout talent you kabisa tukajike mwana utu amwikia ome ukiona no chedra klabu yako ya Arsenal kabisa lakini Arsenal mwebanta na watera wagu bwana mheshimiwa kiongozi turi Maradona ni wana watu wachokera tukathira mbere kuretheria bantu megie barabara